Squidward Chat with your host, Squidward Tentacles.
Greetings, I'm Squidward Tentacles, your host of Squidward Chat.
Hello. Can you introduce me as Joker?
No.
So with dinosaurs coming into my life, I often wondered what would happen if I could go back into theirs. Dinosaurs, time machines. Put them together and you have a tale 1 billion years old.
This is Mr. Travis, your safari guide in the past. He'll show you what and where to shoot. If he says no shooting, no shooting. If you disobey, there's a penalty of another $10,000 plus government action on your return.
I wanted to come out here as Joker.
Biographical computer code. Shot everything in the world, have you?
From Murray Franklin to those goddamn fat, stupid guards at Arkham.
Choose your weapon. They've all proved they can do the job. On dinosaurs. If you're killed, we're not responsible. Those dinosaurs are hungry. We don't time travel to get ourselves killed. 6 safari leaders were killed last year because a few cowards bolted. Get him ready.
And this is our time machine. This device allows us to transport into the future or past at a date or destination of our choosing.
Why, it sounds like a joke.
A few moments later.
This is exactly how I imagined it.
Oh, look, it's just a little... What are you simpletons doing?
That is the jungle of 60,002,055 years before the moment you stepped into our office. Christ isn't born yet. The pyramids lie still in the earth. Shoot only one animal. Our government doesn't like us here in the past. We pay big fees to keep our franchise. A time machine can be a killer. We might destroy a roach or a flower even, and destroy an important link in a species. If we kill a mouse here, all the future family of that mouse are killed, right? And all the families of all the families. Step on a mouse, you annihilate 1, 1,000, 1,000,000 possible mice. For want of 10 mice, a fox dies. For want of a fox, a lion starves. For want of a lion, infinite billions of life forms cease to exist. A caveman goes hunting, but you, friend, have stepped on all his lions. The caveman starves. From his loins might have sprung 10 sons, from theirs 100. Kill this one man, you destroy a race, a people, an entire history of life. Rifles at the ready. Correlated our arrival in the past so that we meet our monster no more than 3 minutes before he was going to die anyway. We kill only animals that have no future. Those that will never mate again. Here he is. The Lord of the mighty beasts, ain't he fine?
Oh! Fire! Fire!
A few moments later.
Greetings, I'm Squidward Tentacles, your host of Squidward Chat.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
Breaking news! Bikini Bottom!